Guys, welcome back to Made by Nala. Today I'll be showing you how I turn this dress into this tie and dye using turmeric powder. Guys, come on, let's start this DIY. So what I did is I boiled water and poured it into a measuring jug. I don't know why, because I was not measuring, and then I poured that liquid inside the pot. Then after, you want to grab your turmeric powder. It doesn't matter where you buy it. I literally got this from the Asian shop, African shop. You can buy it from Tesco's as well. Then you just want to put a heapful in there. I think I did a couple spoons. Then I gave it a good stir, guys. Mix it all together. Make sure that there's no lumps, because the lumps will actually affect the product. You want to let this simmer for 10 minutes. Whilst that was happening, I worked on my dress. So you want to grab some string and your dress. Look at me trying to untie this, guys. Be right back. You want to start making some ties and just like knotting everything up. The scrunchier the better. I used elastic bands as well, but ultimately I did use some string just to bind everything together and to get all those patterns on the tie and dye, because we're going to submerge all of this in the mixture that we cooked up. Just to add, I did submerge the top in salt and water. You want to use fabric salt, but I think you can use regular salt. I just wanted the product to like stain even better. So that's one tip for you guys. Once that was done, I submerged all my ties into like a bucket where I poured that mixture that we were boiling for 10 minutes in. And you want to submerge this and literally submerge it for the longest time so that everything absorbs. I left it to rest for about 40 minutes to an hour before removing it, only because I didn't want it to like, you know, absorb too tough. Once that was done, I put my mixture to the side and I just started unraveling to see the design. And guys, look how gorgeous this came out. Like the print was printing, and I'm so glad I left it for a short time because I could see that the white was also turning yellow. So yeah, be very much quick with it, but I'm so happy with this print. And this is how it all looked on me, and this is me doing that TikTok challenge back in the day, you know, the swipe challenge, but it kind of went left. But enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoyed doing this DIY. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.